Going to go back to Matthew today, where we spent a lot of time this month. Matthew chapter 16, verse 26. Jesus asked, "Or what can a man give in exchange for his soul?" Now, the answer to this question of what you can give in exchange for your soul is nothing. But that doesn't stop men and women from trying to find things to fill the void that only God can fill. Now, the theologian John Calvin said that man's heart is an idol factory, constantly creating things to worship instead of the living God. Now, are you looking for satisfaction or even salvation in things other than the Lord? Things like relationships, status, money, work, or even good deeds? Now, Jesus told a parable in Luke chapter 12, verses 16 through 21. It says, "The ground of a certain rich man yielded an abundant harvest. He thought to himself, 'What shall I do? I have no place to store my crops.' Then he said, 'This is what I'll do. I'll tear down my barns, build bigger ones, and there I will store my surplus grain. And I'll say to myself, you have plenty of grain laid up for many years. Take life easy, eat, drink, and be merry.' But God said to him, 'You fool! This very night your life will be demanded from you. Then who will get what you have prepared for yourself? This is how it will be with whoever stores up things for themselves, but is not rich toward God." Help me, Lord, as I read this. I'm coming under conviction. Now go back and read that parable again in Luke 12. And see if there is any way you are like the man described in that story. And if it is, I urge you to make a life course correction. That's it for today. We had a serious talk. Come on back tomorrow, and we'll have another one then.